It is wonderful that wooden products are now widely available in all domestic and foreign markets. Let us take you into the world of woodworking with these modern advanced machines. Please like and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos. Processing plants serve as centers of innovation and productivity in the forestry industry, turning raw wood into valuable products. With the roller and stone system ensuring seamless operation, the wood saw makes an important contribution to changing the game in the wood industry. The Mellet LMR sizing resizing system is a key component in the forestry industry, providing efficient bark removal and resizing, helping to improve productivity and reduce waste. The strict processing process combined with the powerful engines of today's machines has helped the product finishing process take place quickly and reliably. Let's follow the operation of the sawmill. The Havlison HWP 120 machine is considered a symbol of efficiency. With an impressive processing capacity of 500 tons of material a day, this machine has an important position in the wood processing industry. Close-up of the process of cutting a log with a sharp saw head in a short period of time. Hahn HFP 160 has made the job of processing hard tree trunks into small firewood piles easy. Witnessing the precision and speed of the Hahn HFP 160 in action is a testament to the cutting-edge technology that drives industrial innovation forward. With precision and craftsmanship, these towering giants are transformed into smooth slides, providing endless excitement for thrill seekers. The process of processing the logs from the first stage to the last stage was carried out by a factory in the US. Let's see their magical and expected activities. In just a few minutes, this hardwood part was neatly processed using the NLDZ Pro Compact machine combined with an advanced saw blade. Standing tall above the wood mills, the Holzbolter Extreme 80T Druck has impressive processing capabilities. It ensures a steady supply of processed wood for various applications. Edmiston Sawmill with advanced technology and skilled workforce ensures high-quality lumber output, promoting economic growth. Pallet production lines are the backbone of lumber's manufacturing operations, creating essential components for the logistics and transportation industries worldwide, meeting customer needs efficiently. Weighing 60 tons and standing 12 meters high, it plays a key role in turning raw wood from logging yards into usable wood. Nestled on a Volvo truck, the Chipmax 484 VR demonstrates efficiency and power in the forestry sector, turning logs into valuable wood chips. It was surprising with the advanced remote-controlled machine's ability to process tree bark. Let's follow this magical process. The CBI 5400 wood waste crusher is an engineering marvel, offering great efficiency and flexibility in waste wood processing. At the amazing woodworking factory, the wood cutting process is remarkable. By using modern equipment, it is possible to process large logs with precision and efficiency. At the conditions for the development of wooden products on the domestic and foreign markets today. The equal pieces of firewood were processed quickly to help the man get through the cold winter season. The versatility and cost-effectiveness of Hanfab's dye wood processor highlights the importance of creativity in optimizing wood processing without breaking the bank. Are you impressed with any woodworking machines? Please comment below. We will mention you tomorrow. Sharp cutting lines combined with fast speed create beautiful pieces of wood for the next production stage. Watch the video to learn more about the operating process. Next, we will come to the modern machine Moorbach 640 debarker, which is considered a foundation in the woodworking industry. This machine plays an important role in removing bark from wood quickly. Operating with impressive capacity with a diameter of up to 30 inches, the Moorbach 30RXL disc chipper is considered an important tool in wood processing, especially in large-scale logging operations. The Millet Stoltzfus Forest Products Flame Cleaner Peeler effectively removes bark and debris from the ends of logs and significantly reduces manual labor and streamlines woodworking operations. The Agro Plus 410 boasts impressive versatility and agility, capable of handling various forestry tasks with ease, ensuring enhanced productivity and efficiency in the forestry industry. Innovative design and rugged construction make the Taichfun RCA 400 an important tool for forestry professionals, significantly increasing productivity and streamlining operations.